box. That's supposed to be couples. 3 stickers. And Diesel Power said that every order after $30, after $25, will have a pocket knife as present. And Diesel Power lied to me today. Lied to me this time. Cause I got the decals on it, but not freaking pocket knife. Look at this. And I literally just opened it too.
That's just wrong.
Got my decals alright, but
Stickers.
no freaking pocket knife. And you can see right here. There you go. No pocket knife, so I'm sorry to think that Diesel Power is all fake about their giveaways on their trucks and other gifts after purchasing stuff. So this be the last time I buy from Diesel Power.